Everyone, I am Nidhi, and in today's video, I am diving deep into the world of viral lipstick trends with Lakme. If you're someone who adores experimenting with different lipstick formulas and viral trends, then consider this video a crash course on fresh ways to enhance your lip looks. Don't forget to subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos and notifications. Now, to unlock the magic of glass lips, I present to you the perfect lip formula to try out this trend. Presenting the Lakme 9 to 5 Matte to Glass Liquid Lipstick. This range has many shades to choose from. This powerful duo offers transfer-proof matte lipstick formula on one side and glossy high shine lipstick formula on the other side. When combined together, it gives an unmissable glassy colored lip look. From bold reds to soft nudes, there's a shade for every occasion and every style. So let me show you 3 different lip looks that you can create with just one of these duos. The first technique involves using only the matte side. The brush, which I'm particularly fond of, effortlessly shapes and outlines my lips. This matte style is an ideal choice for days when you don't have time for touch-ups but also want to make a bold, powerful statement. Now, for the second lip look, on days when you want to amp up the natural appearance of your lips while still craving that irresistible shine, reach for the gloss side. It delivers an intense high gloss shine that's hard to miss. To apply the gloss, make sure your lips are smooth and hydrated. Then, gently swipe the gloss applicator across the lips, starting from the center and moving outward. This technique is perfect for achieving that effortless, dewy lip look that's both natural and radiant. Let's combine the power of both the sides. I have already applied the matte side of the lipstick. I am just going to now layer it with the glossy side of the duo. Just make sure that the matte lipstick has completely dried off before you top it off with the gloss. This lip look gives a glassy effect with the vibrant color as the base. It's a fantastic fusion that showcases the best of both worlds and can be used for a variety of occasions. The second viral lip trend has been making waves for a while now. Gradient lips, a beloved K-beauty craze. I'll be using both a light and a dark shade from the Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Satin Lipstick collection. These lipsticks offer a stunning satin finish, intense coverage and rich dewy colors. The texture is luxuriously smooth, providing a velvety feel on the lips. Enriched with avocado oil and hyaluronic acid, they not only deliver vibrant color but also keeps your lips hydrated and nourished. To achieve the gradient lips, start by lining the cupid's bow, the corners and the bottom of your lips with a matching lip liner. Next, apply the lighter lip color as the base shade evenly across your lips. Then, using a darker lip color, apply it on the centermost part of the lips. Now, ensure to blend both colors evenly for a gradient effect. You can choose to leave it as it is or add a layer of lip gloss for an extra touch. So the idea is to opt for a nude or a warm toned lip color that resembles the color of a latte. You will also need a lip liner that goes with the lipstick for a well-defined look. For this lip look, I am using the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Shine lipstick. This lipstick line has fantastic lip shades which suits all skin tone. It's all about lightweight comfort and effortless application, providing intense color and high shine. Plus, the inbuilt primer helps to smoothen the lips and provide the perfect base for the lipstick. Now, it's time to give the Latte Lips a try. For this, I'm going to outline the lips using the Lakme Absolute 3D Lip Definer in the shade Sepia. Ensure to slightly overline to achieve a subtle yet pouty effect. Once that's in place, I'll sweep on the perfect latte colored lipstick from the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Shine lipstick range. Just swipe along the entire lip area and you are done. So guys, that was me trying viral lipstick trends with Lakme. Give these trends a shot and tell me how they worked for you in the comment section down below. Before you leave, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And of course, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well, so you're always in the loop about our fantastic beauty updates. Bye.